Here we have a 2018 67 plate BMW 420d M Sport. Now with this vehicle you do get four 19-inch alloy wheels in excellent condition, as you can see just there, complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. As we come around to the front, you'll notice we've got a full M Performance kit on this vehicle. We've got our black kidney grills. The car itself is finished in an alpine white exterior paintwork, which looks absolutely fantastic. Really big fan of the contrast between white and black on this vehicle. We've got our second 19-inch alloy wheel just there. We've got some black accents, black side skirts, colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles, privacy glass for the rear passengers with black trim around the windows, shark fin antenna on top. Here's a quick look at that interior. As we come to the third alloy wheel, you can see that just there. We've then got our black spoiler there. Coming to the rear, we've got our black diffuser, twin exit exhaust. We've got our front and rear parking sensors on this vehicle. Good sized boot as well, plenty of storage space in here for whatever you may need. As you can see, we have got our 12-volt connectivity point just there, and we can actually fold the back seats down with these levers as well for extra room. Close that up. As we come to the back corner, you'll notice that the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now there's a closer look at that last alloy wheel. If we go on to the interior, we have got a full Dakota leather interior, as you can see just here. ISO fixed points within these seats. Got the integrated speakers on either side with the gloss black trim and leather. In the middle we've got some temperature controls with the 12-volt connectivity, storage nets behind the front passengers there as well. On the door here we've got our uprated premium Harman Kardon sound system, which sounds fantastic. More of this gloss black trim, plenty more leather as well, electric windows, electric power folding wing mirrors, brushed metal handle, more speakers and that additional storage there too. The driver's seat is then electrically adjustable and has memory functions as well. The passenger side is electrically adjustable too. Step inside. We've got our auto lights on the right there. We'll start the vehicle up, foot on the brake. There we go. Now we'll just wait for these lights to go off. As you can see, we have got low range at the moment, which will pull up a triangle on the dashboard there, but that's nothing to worry about. As you can see, the vehicle has covered just over 26,800 miles, and we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We've then got our multifunctional steering wheel with different controls like speed limiter, cruise control, phone controls and volume controls. We've then got our paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of the gears, auto wipers on the right, auto high beam assist on the left. We've then got our start stop button just behind with the start stop technology just there. Infotainment screen in the middle. On here you'll find things like your navigation, which you can see at the moment. We've then got different forms of media connectivity, things like DAB and FM and AM radio, music collection, CD/DVD, Bluetooth audio, USB as well. We've then got phone connectivity, so we can connect our phone via Bluetooth to make calls or to listen to music. We've also got different driving modes like Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus. If I put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see we do have a front and rear parking sensor as well, which all works exactly how you would expect. Now coming down, we've then got our stereo controls. Oh, one last thing on the infotainment screen is we do have Apple CarPlay in this vehicle. Another great feature to get with these cars. Now coming down, we have got our stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left. We've got our dual zone climate controls as well, so we can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently. Heated seats for both front passengers there as well. We've then got our USB socket just there. Coming down, we've got some storage. We've got some additional 2 good sized cup holders with the 12-volt connection just there. We've got our traction control, mode select, and a button for our parking sensors. We've got our gear stick just here. If you're not familiar with these gear sticks, we've got park, reverse, neutral, drive, and then we can flick it across to the left, and that will put us into sport mode, and then we can actually change it into manual mode and change gears like so by going down or up a gear as easy as that. So we've got a choice. If we want to take control of gears manually, we can use the gear stick or the paddle shifters, whichever you prefer, or obviously you can just keep it in fully automatic like so. We've then got our control wheel and touchpad, as well as the shortcuts for the infotainment screen just there. we've got our armrest just here, soft touch leather armrest, which also changes like so. Underneath here we've got our wireless charging capabilities and a second USB. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 420d. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how they should. Now starting off, we do have both speed limiter and cruise control on the steering wheel just here. To activate cruise control, I'll simply press cruise, push up on the trigger, and I'm now cruising at my current speed. Very easy to change the speed with that same trigger in increments of 1 or to the nearest 5. And then when I want to deactivate this, I can simply press cruise again or apply pressure to the brake, and we're back to normal control. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 8th gear, down to 7th, down to 6th, down to 5th, back to 6th, 7th, and 8th. And as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly how you would expect. Now we are slowly approaching the roundabout where I'll be taking a left turn as if you were here with us today. And it's definitely worth mentioning the comfort of this vehicle as well. We've got the incredibly comfortable full leather interior with heated seats for both front passengers. Just put that back into auto there. Incredibly comfortable, happily do 2, 3, 400 miles in here with ease. We've got plenty of modern features in here as well, like electrically adjustable seats, our premium uprated Harman Kardon sound system, Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, the list goes on. Plenty of great features packed into this car. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 1.5 years as well. So although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge impact on many businesses, and still is doing to this day, we feel like we're quite well prepared. So we have adjusted our deliveries ever so slightly to make them contactless. And what this means is we'll sanitize our hands, we'll sanitize the keys, and we'll just do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering it to yourself, just to ensure your safety and our own. Now we are a 5-star dealership as well. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online and check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now I'm about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I perform an emergency brake and also demonstrate that reverse works as it should. We're turning in just now. Emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. There we go, very sharp on the brakes just there, straight into reverse. We've got a visual display of front and rear sensors just there. And we are about to go for a speed bump now as well, so make sure to listen out for any sounds. There we go. And as you can hear, no sounds, no knocks or bangs throughout this whole journey, which obviously you would be listening out for if you were here with us today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside and see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome if you'd wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange, and if there is anything we have missed in the online walkthrough, the online photos, or this video test drive, again, feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That's all from me on this video. I hope you found it useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.